What if a simple game could help protect your brain from one of the most feared diseases in the world? It sounds almost too good to be true, but new research suggests that certain types of brain training may actually reduce the risk of dementia. And here is the surprising part. It is not memory games or puzzles that made the biggest difference. Instead, it was a fast-paced brain exercise that trains your ability to split attention and process information quickly. The task itself may sound simple at first. Participants were shown images, such as vehicles in different environments. At the same time, they were trying to detect another object appearing briefly on the screen. As they improved, the game became harder, faster, and more distracting. And this is where it gets interesting. Players were not given a clear strategy to improve. They simply had to keep trying, forcing their brains to adapt naturally over time. This type of learning is called implicit learning. It is the kind of learning your brain does without you even realizing it. Similar to how you learn to ride a bicycle or tie your shoes. And unlike traditional learning, this kind of skill can last for years. The study behind this discovery was not small or short-term. It followed more than 2,800 older adults over 20 years. At the beginning, all participants were living independently and showed no signs of dementia. They were divided into groups. Some focused on memory. Others focused on reasoning and problem-solving. And one group trained using this fast-paced brain game. After 2 decades, researchers looked at their health records, and the results were striking. Only the group that trained with the speed-based attention game showed a significant reduction in dementia risk. But there was a catch. The benefit was only seen in participants who continued practicing, including additional training sessions over time. In other words, consistency mattered. It was not just about doing the training once. It was about reinforcing it again and again. Now you might wonder, why did this type of training work while others did not? Researchers believe it may be because this exercise pushes the brain in a very different way. It forces multiple areas of the brain to work together at the same time, increasing connectivity and flexibility. This could help build what experts call cognitive reserve. Think of it like a backup system. The stronger your cognitive reserve, the longer your brain can resist the effects of conditions like Alzheimer's. There may also be physical changes. Some suggest this training could help preserve chemicals that support attention and focus. But before you get too excited, this does not mean one game can completely prevent dementia. Brain health is not built from a single habit. It requires a combination of lifestyle choices, including physical activity, a healthy diet, good sleep, and stress management. All of these factors work together. No single solution can replace the whole system. Still, this research offers something valuable. It shows that your brain is not fixed. It can adapt, improve, and become more resilient, even later in life. And sometimes, the way to train it is through challenges that force it to work in new and uncomfortable ways. So the next time you think about brain health, remember this. It is not just about avoiding decline. It is about actively building strength, just like you would with your body. Because the more you challenge your brain today, the better it may protect you tomorrow.